Ted's Woodworking Plans. Get instant access to 50 free woodworking plans. Watch on to see how announcing the world's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking plans. Make 16,000 projects with step-by-step plans. Even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools, each of the 16,000 projects are detailed enough to leave nothing to guesswork, yet simple enough for beginners. It contains complete instructions from start to finish, leaving absolutely no guesswork. Here's what I'm talking about. 1. Step-by-step instructions. You get detailed projects with step-by-step, A to Z instructions that makes building projects super fast, super easy and super fun. With simple hold-you-by-the-hand instructions, you can complete woodworking projects in the small fraction of the time it currently takes you. It's like having a master woodworker by your side, guiding you through the entire project. 2. Cutting and materials list. You get exact cutting and materials list for every project. You will be able to buy exact amounts, which means you'll stop wasting your hard-earned cash on wrong wood, wrong materials, or the wrong quantity. It saves time and cuts down waste. It saves money. You'll spend more time building, less time fretting. 3. Detailed schematics. With sharp and colorful schematics included in each plan, there's simply no guesswork involved. The level of details makes the most challenging project a walk in the park. When instructions are this clear, your project builds itself, all the pieces just click into place. You'll complete projects in a fraction of the time it usually takes you. 4. Views from all angles. You get to see exactly how everything should look before you build them. Most plans don't include this and simply assume you'll end up building something that doesn't look like the drawing. You get intricate details of every angle, every corner, every joint. The plans will never leave you guessing or scratching your head over any detail. 5. Suitable for beginners and professionals. We've got plans that cover all levels of skill and competence. You do not need to be a master woodworker or have expensive machinery to use our plans. Whether you're a complete beginner, an amateur woodworker with hand tools, or a seasoned pro, you'll find thousands of projects that will suit your level. To get instant access to 50 free woodworking plans, click the link in the description below this video.